In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn by Brave Browser. If you've heard that Brave pays you just for browsing, there's a little more to it. The main system is called Brave Rewards, and it pays you in a cryptocurrency called payout for viewing privacy-respecting ads. Let's walk through how to turn it on, how to see ads, and how to manage what you earn. First, enable Brave Rewards. Open the Brave browser and go to Brave Rewards. On that page, turn on Brave Rewards. This switch activates the earnings program in your browser so it can track eligible ad views and credit your account. Next, turn on ads, which is the primary way you earn. Inside the rewards settings, enable Brave Ads. You'll also see a setting for how many ads per hour you want to allow, typically anywhere from 1 to 10. Pick a number that fits your comfort level. These ads appear as system notifications or small cards, and each view earns a small amount of BAT. Now, a quick word about BAs, your basic attention token. Each ad you see adds a bit of BAT to your balance. You can hold it in your wallet, withdraw it if payouts are supported in your region, or convert it to cash through exchanges that support BAT. Think of it as micro earnings that accumulate over time rather than a salary. To manage those earnings, connect a wallet. From the Brave Rewards page, click Connect Wallet. Choose Brave Wallet or another supported provider, then follow the prompts to approve the connection. This lets you see your BAT, move it when available, and keep your rewards organized in one place. If you want to increase earnings, keep ads enabled, use Brave regularly, and allow notifications so ads can appear even when you're multitasking. The more consistently you browse with ads on, the more small credits you'll stack up. There are a few important limitations. Rewards are modest and not a full-time income. Payouts aren't available everywhere, and some regions require identity verification through partner services before you can withdraw. Also remember that Brave's ads are privacy-based, meaning they match to your interests locally without intrusive tracking. Even if the earnings are small, Brave can still benefit you day to day by blocking unwanted ads, speeding up page loads, saving data and battery, and helping you stay focused. Turn on rewards, opt into ads, connect a wallet, and let your browsing start working a little bit for you.